Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how you can add another page in Google Sites. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just simply click here on Pages, and here just click New Page, and just write it like, I don't know, Contact Us. You can also create like a new thing, and here we got it. What you can do also is to change the order of it if you want to, or simply create a drop-down menu. So you take it, and when you insert it right into it, you can create drop-down menu, and then you can like add a sub page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So this is how you can create a page in Google Sites. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.